Hi, so those who follow me on Twitter will know that I recently purchased off eBay an Atari SF314 double-sided external drive for the ST, shipped all the way from California, and now it's here. I've connected it up. Let's have a look and see what it's doing. Bought, sold as seen. Let's have a look. So it's button tested. And it should be drive B. Get the activity light, which is great. Let's wait that for finish. But when you try put a disc in, it doesn't want to go in. So this is going to need taking apart, I think. Right, let's do it. Let's see what's going on with it. As you can see, it's a bit yellow, scratched in places. Perhaps suitable for a retro bright and another video, I think. Let's get it open. Same length. I'm guessing it's going to be corner, 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 corner. Nice satisfying crack as they come off, which sort of suggests to me that no one's been in here for a long time, which is great. Right, let's see if that'll open. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Right, let's get rid of the top. So, let's get this out of the way. So now it's trying to work, don't we? We got the access light come on. Right, that's that off. That is super tough. There we go. Just bent the pins there. I'll just straighten those out before I forget. Right, that's out of the way. Right. Let's get the bottom off. I'm guessing these will be a different size. Which they are. I wonder if something's just stuck in it rather than something broken. Right, that's the bottom off. I wonder. Right, let's see if we can get the drive out. Something's just stuck in it. This just slides out, right. Okay. With it being the 314, there's no drive belt. Right. So, we've got the mechanism there. Let's just try putting a disc in. Is it not going all the way? Head. Right. What's stopping it? Can't see anything stuck in the drive. Just have down there. Can't see anything stuck in it. Let's try again. Am I putting it the right way up? I think so. I also put it in upside down. Feels like this side is. Is it just something that's not lubricated? Does it need lubricating? What does this thing do? So that comes across. Definitely feels like this side is the problem. And that just doesn't move at all, does it? I don't know what that does, but it doesn't move. You can see remnants of grease on there. Now it's moved. Right. I'm wondering if that's what the problem was. Looks that way, doesn't it? Right. Let's see if we can lubricate it. Right. Back in 1 second. So just got zoomed in a little bit on here. So this is the bit that's sticking, and it doesn't feel bent or anything, but you can see the old lubricant on there. And I'm wondering, I've just got some silicone spray. I wonder if that would be okay to use. Well, I'm going to use it anyway, because I do have alternative drives. Probably way too much and gone everywhere. Right, let's just try. You know, I think that might have done it. Because everything else seems nice and free. How's that now? Oh, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. I don't want to put too much on. Will that be enough? I reckon so. I reckon so. I don't know very much about floppy drives. I know the head moves on the little roller down there, the little shaft. Let's get it connected back up. See what it does. See if it can read a disc. Right, so I've straightened the ID connector and connected it all back up to ST. Let's give it a whirl. What I've got with this ST is I've got a boot selector switch on the back. You might want to have a look at one of my previous videos, which have modded this ST. So I've switched the switch, and so this will now be the primary drive to boot. Got a copy of Bubble Bobble. Let's see if it'll read the disc. If it does, the game should just boot straight up. I think that's a win. That's great. Question is now, I bought this drive to use as a case for my Gotek. Now, question is, do I put the Gotek into the ST or put it into the external drive? Put a comment, see what you think, because I'm not sure myself. I don't know which one I'd prefer to do. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and look out for my upcoming video then on either modding the ST with a Gotek or modding the external drive.